Hi, welcome to the 3 Secret Ingredients Cooking Show. Happy Thanksgiving edition where we're going to make some of our family favorites today. I'm Courtney.
I'm Anita.
And I'm Ruthie.
And we're going to do a couple simple hors d'oeuvres today that have been a family favorite for us for years, and we hope that you find them enjoyable and your family loves them too.
Today we will be making our famous bean dip and our heart attacks on a stick. Now for our bean dip, you take 1 large can of Dennisons chili con carne with beans. Empty that into your pan.
And then you're going to use 8 ounces of cream cheese, whatever brand you'd like, but it's best to let it sit out and thaw a little bit so that it melts faster when you begin to cook it. So I'm going to empty that in as well.
So what you do is you just mix those together and you're going to cook it over medium-low heat until it's all melted, and then you can serve it with tortilla chips or fritos or our personal favorites.
Hi, now we're back with our second treat. So it's called Heart Attack on a Stick because it's not the healthiest treat for you, but it tastes delicious. So Mama's going to show you how to make it.
You take your frozen tater tot, half a slice of bacon, roll it up very tightly. Yummy yum.
And then you're going to close it off with a toothpick, and you're going to place it on a baking sheet with a rack, and you're going to spray that with cooking oil before you cook it.
And these are frozen, so it takes a little bit of work to get the toothpick inside.
But boy, just wait. You've got a treat in store.
Okay, the heart attacks on a stick are ready to go in the oven. We're going to put them in at 400 for around 40 minutes.
And you just want to keep checking on them and make sure that the bacon is nice and crispy and ready to go.
And we've got our bean dip here all mixed up together, and we're going to show you and serve that in a second, so stay tuned.
All right, now we've finished making our famous bean dip, and we have our taste tester here, my grandpa, Papa, and he's going to tell us what he thinks.
It really tastes good. I like it.
Yay!
So we hope your family enjoys it too.
And here we have our finished product, the Heart Attack on a Stick with ranch dressing. It's really good when you dip it in the ranch and then eat it. So they're nice and crispy, and we're ready to celebrate Thanksgiving together. So thank you so much for watching our show. Please like and subscribe, and
Happy
Happy
Thanksgiving!
Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Enjoy!